Tasikmalaya dan sekitarnya. Ini dia wajah baru kota Tasikmalaya, Jalan Hazet Mustofa dan Jalan Cihideng. Pembangunan semi pedestrian Jalan Cihideng sudah 96% dan Jalan Hazet Mustofa 99% rampung. Yang sebelumnya bisa dikatakan cukup semerawut dan kini sangat tertata rapi, sehingga sangat ramah bagi para pengunjung yang ingin berbelanja ataupun yang hanya ingin bersantai ria bersama keluarga. Ini adalah Malioboro-nya kota Tasik. Banyak sekali warga yang berfoto, mengabadikan momen-momen bersama keluarga, kerabat, pacar, dan lainnya. Di sini sangat cocok sekali buat nongkrong anak-anak muda. Tempat duduknya pun kelihatan sangat nyaman sekali dan bisa juga digunakan untuk tiduran bagi kaum rebahan. Pembangunan semi pedestrian Jalan Hazet Mustofa dan Jalan Cihideng, kota Tasikmalaya yang akan segera selesai menjadi kado indah hari ulang tahun ke-21 kota Tasikmalaya. Dan Gubernur kita Bapak Ridwan Kamil telah mengunjungi kawasan ini Sabtu 8 Oktober 2022 malam. Bapak Gubernur sangat mengapresiasi keberadaan semi pedestrian Jalan Hazet Mustofa dan Cihideng. Dan Gubernur kita Bapak Ridwan Kamil menyarankan agar Jalan Cihideng dipakai untuk pusat kuliner pada malam hari.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed.
Kawasan ini terbilang sangat nyaman sekali. Tempatnya yang strategis memudahkan bagi para pengunjung berlalu lalang. Dan tempat ini sangat dekat dengan Masjid Besar atau Masjid Agung Kota Tasikmalaya, sehingga sangat mudah bagi para pengunjung untuk melaksanakan ibadah, diantaranya untuk melaksanakan sholat yang 5 waktu. Kawasan ini sangat kelihatan sekali perubahannya. Yang dulu Jalan Hazet ini didominasi dengan parkir mobil dan motor. Kini telah steril dari parkir mobil dan motor.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Dan kini, di pinggir jalan, disediakan tempat atau jalur khusus buat para goeser.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel.
Nah, bagi teman-teman yang belum tahu kondisi terbaru dan ingin berkunjung ke sini membawa kendaraan bermotor, kalian bisa parkirkan kendaraan motor di sekitar alun-alun ataupun di persimpangan-persimpangan jalan di sekitar Jalan Hazet. ada 2 ornamen yang menjadi spot foto favorit warga, yaitu payung emas kuncup dan tempat duduk yang disebut kolong gelis.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe